Making an entryway table using some Dollar Tree items. Welcome guys, in today's video I'll be using some wooden trays that I got from the Dollar Tree to create a beautiful entryway table. For this project I'll need a total of 10 wooden trays. For this project, I'll be using the Gorilla wood glue to glue all the trays together. I'll be making 2 sets of 5 trays each. I made sure to put enough glue to infuse both of the trays together, and I did allow them to dry for about 30 minutes. As the trays are currently drying, I'll be using those wooden crates that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and this time I will only need 4. I used the same stuff from before, adding a lot of wood glue to glue the crates together, and I will also allow them to dry for about 20 minutes. Once they were all dry, I took them out and used some silver spray paint to paint them. Once dry, I'll take them back inside and I'll be using those jewelry borders to put where each of the trays meet. Once that was done, I'll go ahead and use some really strong adhesive to glue the 3 pieces together like so. I'll be using some wooden dowels to add at the bottom for support, but however, if you are to have additional crates, you can use them as well and just glue them as we did on the top. Once I added everything together, I'll then go ahead and work on the front, and for that I'll be using those party plates that I also got from Dollar Tree. They come 8 in a pack and I'll be using about 6 pack of them. And I'll go ahead and cut all the corners because that is what we'll be using down the line. Once we were done cutting all the corners, we will be using some foam board that will go ahead and glue all the corners on top of and create a beautiful design. To start creating my design, I started by using a party plate that I did not cut and place it right in the middle of the foam board using some hot glue, and later on I went on and glued all the pieces around it. I continued to add the pieces until the whole foam board was entirely covered. And to decorate the middle of the plate, I'll go ahead and use some self-adhesive rhinestone sheet that I cut to size. Once that was done, I took back my table piece and I'll be using some wooden planks that I also got from the Dollar Tree in the Halloween section. I'll add it to the table with some strong adhesive before I add my foam board to it. I did add some pin stick as well in the middle for extra support for the foam board so it can be well secured. I added my foam board to the strong adhesive and allowed them to dry overnight. The next morning, I took a wooden piece that I got from IKEA. It was a floating shelf, and I'll go ahead and use some marble contact paper to cover it up. I covered the front of the shelf, and that is what I'll be using for the top of my side table. I really love this contact paper. It really turned out so beautiful with everything. So next I'll go ahead and place it on the top of my side table and I'll go ahead and decorate it. Here's how the table turned out. It is so beautiful and it will make such a beautiful entryway table for a small space. This project turned out so beautiful. I hope you guys did enjoy it as well as I enjoy sharing it with you. If so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.